You've poured your heart and soul into creating your dream business. You've got a killer name, a website and a storefront ready to rock. And then bam, family emergency, unexpected career change. Insert your own plot twist here. Suddenly, launching your business feels like less of a dream and more like a looming deadline. So what do? Close up shop forever? Absolutely not. That's where the concept of a dormant company comes in. Hello there, my name's Ian from Your Company Formations, where we help form your company super fast. Ever dreamt of owning a company? Maybe you've even taken the plunge and incorporated your business idea. But what if things aren't quite ready to take off just yet? Life throws curveballs, and sometimes you need to put your business ambitions on hold. Well, fear not, fellow entrepreneurs, there's a way to keep your dream alive without the pressure of full-blown operations. Today, we're diving into the world of dormant companies. Now, to put it simply, a dormant company is essentially a business that's been legally registered but isn't actively trading. Think of it as putting your company on hold. It exists, it's recognised by law, but it's not generating income or incurring expenses. This can be a great option for several reasons. Maybe you're waiting for the perfect time to launch, securing funding, or simply taking a break. So now we know what a dormant company is, let's break down the main differences between a dormant and live, and let you know why a dormant company may be a good choice for you depending on your personal circumstances. So a live company is the hustler out there, making sales and building a brand. It has employees, pays taxes, and files regular reports. A dormant company, on the other hand, is much more low-key. There's no trading activity, minimal expenses, and simplified administrative requirements. However, it's important to remember that a dormant company isn't the same as a dissolved company. Dissolving a company means it officially ceases to exist. Dormancy is a temporary pause button, if you will. So why choose dormancy? Here are some key benefits. Reduced costs. You won't have to be paying for things like office space, utilities, or employee salaries while your company is dormant. Simplified administration. There are fewer legal and tax obligations to worry about. Protects your name. If you have a fantastic company name and you don't want someone else to snatch it up, keeping it registered as a dormant company secures your claim. Future flexibility. The beauty is you can easily reactivate your dormant company whenever you're ready to take the plunge. Now, navigating the legalities of company formation and dormancy can get a bit tricky. That's where yourcompanyformations.co.uk comes in. We can help you with the entire process, from registering your company to placing it in a dormant state and even reactivating it later. We'll ensure everything is done correctly and according to regulations, saving you time and money and a whole lot of stress. And even though a dormant company isn't actively trading, there are still a few administrative tasks to keep on top of. The main one is filing accounts for your local company's registry, like Companies House in the UK. These accounts are a simplified version compared to what a live company files, but they still provide a basic snapshot of your company's financial position. While the process is fairly straightforward, it's important to meet filing deadlines to avoid penalties. Now, this might sound like extra work when your business is on hold, but don't worry, because here at Your Company Formations, we even offer services to help with dormant company accounts. Our team can handle the filing process for you, ensuring everything is submitted correctly and on time. This frees you up to focus on the things knowing that your dormant company remains in good standing. Simply visit our website and find Dormant Company Accounts section to find out what we can do with you. Or follow the link in the description below, which I'll leave there to make it easy. So, if you're an entrepreneur with a business idea on hold, consider this as a viable option to keep your dream alive. And remember, don't be afraid to seek help from us here at yourcompanyformations.co.uk. We'll be your guide through the legal jungle, allowing you to focus on what matters most, building your business empire whenever you are ready. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more business tips and videos helping you on your entrepreneurial journey. Thanks for watching.